In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Udemy, a fantastic platform for online learning and course creation. Let's dive into this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you're most comfortable with using. Once you're online, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser window. Here, you'll type udemy.com and hit Enter to navigate to the Udemy homepage. This is the first step in setting up your new account. Once you've landed on Udemy's website, take a glance towards the top right corner of your screen. You should spot a Sign Up button there. It's usually highlighted, making it easy to find, even for new visitors. Clicking this button is your gateway to starting your learning journey with Udemy. Now, a form will appear, prompting you to fill in some basic information about yourself. You'll need to enter your name, your email address, and a password that you'll use to log into your Udemy account in the future. When choosing a password, make sure it's strong and secure, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, to protect your account from any potential security breaches. Before moving on, Udemy offers you an option to enroll in their promotional emails and receive personalized course recommendations. If you're interested in staying updated with new courses or special offers, tick the box to opt in. However, if you prefer a cleaner inbox or plan to browse courses independently, you can safely leave this box unchecked. For users located in certain countries, Udemy might require additional security verification by asking you to provide your phone number. This step is designed to add an extra layer of security to your account. Your phone number helps verify your identity and ensures that your account remains safe. After you've filled in your details, Udemy will send you a confirmation email to the address you provided. This email contains a link that you need to click on to activate your Udemy account. Make sure to check your inbox and even your spam or junk folders if you don't see the email right away. Once you find it, just click on the activation link. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Udemy account. You're now ready to explore thousands of courses across various subjects. Whether you're looking to develop new skills for your career or simply exploring personal interests, Udemy offers a world of opportunities. Enjoy your journey on this path of learning and growth.